I don't even know if that's the balance point.
I wasn't even committing. I was just tapping the throttle and hoping it came up. Every time it lifted, I panicked and I slammed it down.
I'm just scared to fall.
Then I realized I was scared to lean back. If I didn't actually commit, it was never going to happen.
At this point, I had arm pump, and I was already tired.
That one felt different. That's the highest I've gotten it so far. That's what she said. I started understanding the balance point a little, not really.
I had to grab my phone real quick to look up YouTube shorts and look up other ways to learn how to wheelie.
Where today we're going to learn how to wheelie. The easiest way to learn how to wheelie is sit back on the back of the seat, put both feet on the ground, and learn how to pick your front wheel up. Always make sure you're covering that back brake with at least one finger and lightly pressing the lever to activate that brake. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
I wasn't too sure if I should use sport or eco mode.
So I went out all in on sport. It was so hard for me because the throttle is so sensitive on sport. Got my wrist all tired, fam. Gotta do what I gotta do, fam. I think dragging your feet is much easier than what I was doing before. But my butt cheeks are sore, fam. No diddy. I knew if I could just commit one good time, I might actually get it. I keep forgetting to use the back brake. Sport mode was too much, so I had to put it in eco mode. Eco mode is where it's at. It's so chill, fam. Getting the hang of it. That's the closest I gotten so far. This is a workout, no lie, fam. Am I good at wheelies? Not yet. But for 2 hours, that's progress. It's just the fear of looping. That's all it is for me. I have to remember rear brake. If this video does good, I'm running it back to back for episode 2. Like and subscribe and comment how long it took you to wheelie. Deuces.